Hey everyone, Craig here with CostCertified. Today I want to go over the ability to take a look and create your own material list. So here I've created a drywall and insulation assembly. So within there, you're going to have your details on the drywall, mudding, poly, any of the insulation that you're going to need. So it captures all, and I've put it on all the dimensions already. So it kind of gives us that idea. So one of the things that a lot of people want to do is actually have the system tell you, what are you going to need to purchase? So if you click on drywall, we're going to scroll down until you get down to this material section here. We're going to click on material options. And in here, we've already built how we're purchasing this stuff. So the waste factor, we've put at 10%. And this is designed for anything that you'd be, cutting off the drywall, or if you're putting a hole in it for an electrical box or anything like that, that's all wastage. You want to capture that in your cost. So we put it at 10%. Here, we're going to purchase each of the individual sheets of drywall by themselves. You're not going to buy them in bulk or anything, or buy a box or anything like that. You're going to buy them individually. That's why we have it as each. You can also change it so if you're buying something else, you could be buying something in a box or a pair or anything along those lines. You can adjust it here. Generally, a sheet of drywall is going to cover 32 square feet. That's what we put in here. And then the cost is $10 for that sheet of drywall. So here we have 3,000 square feet that we're going to need to drywall as a surface area. So if I click over on the left side here on materials, it's then going to tell you that here's the drywall, we've got 3,000 square feet, and to do that, you're going to need 105 sheets of drywall. Same thing is when you're looking at the insulation bats, you have 900 square feet to do. That means you're going to need 13 bats of insulation based on how we've done this. Or if the poly, 900 square feet of poly, you're going to need 4 rolls to complete that in your job that you're doing. That's how you create your material list. It's really, really simple. You can do this for anything you're doing, whether it be flooring, framing, whatever. You could create your own listing of what you need to purchase.